everyone, welcome back to my channel, Live Flow Grow. My name is Christina and welcome to my first day of morning stretches. You're not gonna need much, a block and a strap. If you don't have a strap, you can use a blouse or a belt, whatever works for you. And if you don't have a block, you can use a book. Let's not waste any time. Grab your mat, your block, and some water, and we're all gonna begin sitting down. On our first day of our morning stretches, we're gonna begin with a block, slide it underneath your sitting bones between your feet. I want you to sit comfortably on it. Close your eyes and invite your awareness inward. Connect to your breath. Deepen your inhalations and lengthen your exhalations. In the first day of our morning stretch routine, we're going to begin with the neck and the shoulders. Keep breathing. I invite you to keep your eyes closed throughout the whole practice and just feel your body through the stretches. We're gonna begin tilting the right ear towards the right shoulder. Gentle neck stretch. Keep breathing. One more breath here. Come back through center and bring your left ear towards your left shoulder. One more breath. Come back through center. Right ear towards the right shoulder. This time take the right hand and pull your head gently down. Breathe through the space, through the left side of your neck. Extend your left fingertips down. Come back through center. And do the other side, left hand on the head, pulling your left ear down towards your left shoulder, gentle pull. Stretch past your right fingertips and breathe into the right side of your neck. One more deep breath here. Good, come back through center. Extend our left hand down and roll your head down and up. One more time, keep going down and up. Last one, through your right shoulder, through center, left shoulder, up. To the other side, left shoulder down, coming in through right shoulder. One more time, roll the head, and last one. Come back through center. Take your hands, clasp them behind your neck and around the back. Pull the clasp down and feel the stretch in the back of the neck. Bring the elbows to touch as much as you can. Breathe through the stretch between your shoulder blades. One more breath here. Now I want you to open the chest, tilt the head down, open through the front of the neck. Bring space between the elbows and really hug your shoulder blades together. Like there is a pencil on the back of the neck and you're squeezing that pencil with your shoulder blades. You can lean back a little bit if you want, really opening through your whole front body. One more breath here. Come back through center, round through the front, the upper back. Bring the elbows to touch, pull the neck down, pull the head down, and open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. One more time, exhale, round. Inhale, open. Last one. And open. Good. Bring the hands down. And we're gonna roll the shoulders up and down. Big rolls. One more time. And back and forth. Now, I want you to take the strap, stay in your seated position, sitting on the block. Take the strap. Hands should be more than shoulder width apart. Lift the arms up, but keep your abs in. Don't splay your lower ribs out. So keep everything in, meet the ribs in, abs in, and lift the strap. Shoulder height. Lift it up a little bit, overhead. Keep your belly in, keep the ribs in, and bring it all the way down. One more time, lift up, and bring it down. Last one, lift up, and bring it down. Open the arms a little bit wider, lift up, and let them fall back. Lift up, and let them fall forward. One more time, lift up, let them fall back. Take your time, move with your breath, observe your body. Two more times. Last one. Good. Bring the strap to the side. Bring your arms on the opposite shoulders. Hug yourself. Lift the elbows. And bring it down. One more time, lift the elbows. And bring it down. Last one. And bring it down. Change the clasp of your hands. Lift the elbows. And bring it down. Lift up. You should feel a stretch in your left elbow. And bring it down. And lift the elbows. And bring it down. Release. Clasp your hands back and pull the clasp away from you. Release that. Clasp your hands behind your back. See if you can't grab opposite elbows with your hands and roll your shoulders back and down as much as you can. Change your clasp. Good, release that. Take your right arm up and we're gonna do big circles with it. 3 times. 1 more. Good, bring it down. Left arm up and back. Big circles. Feel the movement of your joints. Now lift both hands up and let them fall back. And now back and forth. Move with integrity. Feel the sensations in your joints when you move your hands. Bring your hands on the top of the shoulders and start making big circles with your elbows. And back and forth. Good, release that. And the last thing of this series is gonna be eagle arms. Extend the arms in front of you. Right hand wraps underneath the left one. Bend your elbows, and that might be enough for you. If you can, bring the palms to touch. Bring the palms to touch and send the elbows away from the middle. Breathe into the stretch between your shoulder blades. Breathe into the stretch of your upper back. Keep lifting the elbows away from the body. Now keep your arms the way they are and see if you can lift the elbows all the way up. And around the back, bring the elbows to the middle. One more time, lift up. And round. A last one. And round. Come back through center. Unwrap your hands. Shake your hands. The other side, extend the arms in front of you. Shoulder on the shoulder height. Left hand wraps underneath the right one. Bring the palms to touch if possible. And send your breath between your shoulder blades. Inhale, feel the stretch of your skin. Exhale, lengthen. Slowly lift the elbows up a little bit. Breathe. One more breath here. The deepest breath so far of your practice. Lift the elbows up. Arch your spine. And exhale round through the back. Bring the elbows down. One more time, lift up. Move slowly, explore your body. Go as high as you can and lower them down. Last one. And lower. Unwrap your hands. Bring yourself up. Shake your hands. I hope that you liked that tutorial. For more videos like that, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.